Example 1C, sketch the graph of y equals -4 over x. So this also means with that negative sign that we're going to reflect the graph as well over the x-axis. Now, what that means is normally it's in quadrants 1 and 3. So if I reflect it, it's now going to be flipped down here and here. You don't have to think which axis really, because if you flip it over the y-axis, the same result. So you're thinking of which quadrants these are going to be in now. My asymptotes don't change, so let's draw those in. Those are going to help guide my graph. So we're going to graph and put those in. Okay, now normally with y equals 1 over x, it's 1 and 1 away. Keeping in mind it's a reflection, so we're going to be here. But because the a value is 4, we're going to go and count 4 up instead. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to count 4 along this horizontal as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can connect those points. If I wanted to test another point, I would just test, for example, -2 or just 2, just to see the distance. So when I'm counting a distance of 2, I get 2. So I know that this was 2 away now. So I often will sort of test a point in between if I need to. And so same thing here, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. I realize I don't have my scale in here either. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know again, as I said, if I plugged in a distance of 2, it's a distance of 2. And I realize these are, this would be -2 because this would have a negative sign out front. But I'm just doing this for counting's sake, not so much a table. So that's why I didn't really put those negative signs in there. I just want you to think of how far apart these points are. So with the vertical stretch, this distance here gets further away in your curve. You still get the same shape compared to like your 1 over x graph. So this is always at 1, 1. These are the y equals 3x. Now it's 3, 1, 1, 3. With 4x, and again, because it's negative, it's over here, but it's a distance 4 this way and 4 up.